Hey, so in light of the new Jurassic Park movies coming out, I had a great idea. It was to play this really loud while my grandpa was sleeping. It's the T-Rex roar. Oh shit. Right there. Okay, this is gonna be hard with camera and everything, so. Sorry.
Crazy, man.
Yeah.
That's kidding me.
Maybe. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Grandpa.
Oh, good.
I'm sorry.